it's Todd Ault. It's May 17th. This is the 74th episode of Risk On. It may be the greatest show about risk ever. Probably not, though. Maybe Kramer likes it better. You know, let me fix my stuff here.
We got a lot of stuff here.
Discombobulated. This is a very busy day. Wow. God, oh, my God. What's up with the naked interviews coming up soon? Isn't that exciting? I just talked to Justin a little while ago.
All right.
We'll cover that shortly.
All right, cool.
Stay tuned for the update on the naked interview, which is going to happen. We're pretty excited about this. I think he's excited, too, because he told me he wanted to get it out right away. So once, you know, and we'll cover all those details.
Let's cover it.
I can't get this thing to work. That's okay. That's all right. Don't worry. I got it handled. I got it.
Dude,
all right, I'm good.
What a day in the market for us, huh?
Wow, what a day. Michael, hey, bunch of headlines. Riots reporting today. Fisker, for full disclosure, we're long risk Fisker. We're long Riot, although I cut half right at the close because we were up. I bought some Riot at 23. I never keep track of the exact number, but it opened terrible today.
Yeah.
Because of the psychopath. I mean, because of Elon Musk.
The madman.
The madman.
Well, Michael Burry's got something for
Shouldn't
him.
call a rich guy psycho. I'm not saying you're psycho, but you're doing psycho stuff.
Why, Bill
I
Gates?
love you. I think you're brilliant. But
Bill Gates is psycho.
Is he?
We'll get into that, too.
Oh, yeah, heaven forbid he had an affair on Melinda. I called it, by the way. I called it!
Yeah, you did.
I called it! Wasn't a big call, though, was it? I mean, a rich guy having an affair?
Well, the other
Ooh,
stuff...
what a stretch.
Dude, though, intermingling with Epstein, though. Come on now. You want to go there? We don't have to.
Jeffrey Epstein?
Yeah, you know. The guy who killed himself? Yeah, okay.
I think him and I had lunch a couple times.
Yeah. Where's Ghislaine Maxwell?
I'm just kidding. I don't know Jeffrey Epstein.
Ghislaine.
I don't know. First of all, after the guy gets convicted of like pedophilia or having sex with minors or doing something bad, why would you hang out with him after that? I would, if you're going to be friends with him, just keep it low key. I mean, what the heck?
JB Baldwin.
This guy was everywhere.
Yeah, man. I mean, Trump kicked him out of the Mar-a-Lago facility when he found out about it.
Did he?
Yeah, for sure.
Trump kicked him out?
Kicked him out of his club.
But Trump liked him in the beginning. But you didn't know he was a pedophilia.
Dude, he was whining and dining. You could show pictures of Epstein with everyone. I was like, oh,
what I don't get was why don't you just go out with 18-year-olds, kids 18 or older? Why go lower?
Because they're psycho.
Skylar, what about you? Do you have a lot of older people hitting on you when you're under 18?
Yeah.
Yeah? Really?
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, it's this guy. I mean, some people have like a weird fetish. Like, I don't know. People
I would be
have fetishes,
freaked out if the girl was under 18. I'd be like, I mean, when I was 17, I wanted 18-year-olds.
That could be a crime.
When I was a kid.
I know, it's crazy. I don't know.
Wow, that's crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So you had a lot of older people hitting on you?
Well, I mean,
Women or men? Or both?
I mean, I would say men, but it's like,
Oh, come on, Skylar.
well, it's a thing, like, you know, like a schoolgirl. Like a lot of older guys are into like a younger schoolgirl, and it's super inappropriate, but like some guys have that sort of fetish, and clearly Epstein had that.
Holy smokes, this show's going in the wrong direction. Right now, I can tell you, Josh is over our
Dude, so was it your math teacher or your science teacher?
Our producer's waving off saying, wave off, wave off.
Anyway,
oh, my God.
Hey,
oh my
we
God.
got 50 minutes here. So
let's go right to a headline. Listen, I could rant a lot about Got an ID. Look at Caesar. Yeah, Caesar. Have you ever seen Caesar? He's a Mexican, Hispanic, sweetco, suave, good-looking soccer player, and all the girls like him, right? And he says, "Oh, I just checked their ID." Right. Can we go to the screen real quick here on Michael Burry? Michael Burry of The Big Short reveals a $530 million bet against Tesla. This is a notional put bet, right? So this is the notional bet. He put up a lot of money because he's bet. So this is the March 31st. You know, he's probably in the money now.
That's like 40% of his portfolio.
Yeah, no, but the stock's down since then.
No, he's in the money.
He's got to be in the money.
Yeah, for sure.
If I were a Tesla shareholder, I'd be really Jesus. God,
the balance sheet with
this
Bitcoin,
chat's going crazy, guys.
Dude, how much did Elon cost Tesla with their Bitcoin balance sheet? Like the amount. I mean,
did you feel like I felt yesterday like I was pissed?
Yeah,
because he's messing with Bitcoin. He's like he's all over the map. What he's doing is crazy. Like who believes that he didn't know already before that Bitcoin cost to mine That and he's attacking Michael Saylor. And Saylor got convinced. The whole thing makes no sense to me.
He's like Sailor Moon, wears some Bitcoin thigh highs, all this stuff. He's trolling him on Twitter. I'm like, I don't know, man, but what happens if we find out that he did dump all that Bitcoin off the balance sheet and he's pumping Doge?
Yesterday he said he didn't sell it.
Oh, yeah, he said indeed. I saw that.
No, but afterwards he came out and said,
he did clarify.
To quell the rumors, quell the speculation,
all right.
we are still long Bitcoin.
Okay.
I don't know what to say here.
I mean, I know that
I could rant about him for a while.
Let me just tell him, Elon, real quick. Elon, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is bigger than Tesla, and you are lighting a fire under a lot of people, millions of people.
But you were telling me that Wall Street Bets is going crazy with this guy.
Yeah, they had a lot of threads on that, talking about puts. Fisker is on CNBC right now. I can't tune in. I wish I could. Henrik. But it looks like money rotation into Fisker and a little bit into, what is that, CCIV? Mm-hmm. Is that what is that? What's the other motor?
Oh, you're talking about Lucid Motors.
Lucid, yeah, thank you. And then, of course, Nikola. And, of course, Chinese Neo. Let's see what happens with Tesla. How did it do today?
I'm going to look it up real quick here.
I probably have it.
Tesla.
Actually, if you don't have it, I can get it.
I'll pull it up here. Tesla stock.
We're getting advanced here. We have sound now.
We're moving around here. Tesla down 12.91.
Okay.
During the regular day, down an additional 68 cents. This stock is underperformed for the year. I think.
Dude, hit me with the year to date.
I think it's down 35% year to date.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay, it's actually 20.96% down year to date, right? Let's look at what about the 1 year? 1 year still up 254%. How about the 6 month? Up 18. So the year to date's where it's down here.
What did they do? A 4-to-1 or 5-to-1 forward?
5-to-1.
5-to-1, right? Okay.
Right. I mean, it's still a very expensive stock.
Yeah, for sure.
But behaviorally, though, it's a strange thing. I don't even understand. I mean, he's super smart.
Yeah.
But what's the point of buying Bitcoin, announcing it, then announcing you're going to accept it, then appeasing the environmentalists and saying, well, it's too hard on the environment. We're trying to get a guest on that covers. You heard it, right?
Yeah.
That when you buy a Tesla, according to him, and he's an expert at this, we're going to find out, really, really all the details. But he says that from the time you buy a Tesla, your impact on the environment is 7 years.
Yes, 7 years.
Right. It takes 7 years to gain back the cost of building that Tesla. Keep in mind, Teslas are powered by, basically coal. What's up?
Spoken word. What about, dude? He's the CEO of a publicly traded company.
Who is?
Spoken word's talking about it's a free world. He's allowed to express investments via media platforms. I don't know.
Okay, but staying on topic here. When you go to get power from a Tesla station, it's usually on some sort of coal-fired plant. That doesn't always mean it. The actual devices that they use, the plastics in there are made from oil.
It's petroleum-based.
It's tons of fossil fuels involved in building a Tesla. I can't keep up with the chat, guys.
Dude, lithium.
Lithium mining, which is one of the worst things in the world. This guy's the hypocrisy is out of control.
He's just crazy. Buddy B with another super chat. Thanks a lot, Buddy B. I appreciate the support,
very kind
man.
of you. He's from okay, I'd like to keep up with the chat, but I can't keep up with this in order because it's like as fast as I've ever seen it.
Yeah, I don't understand. Elon, he's out there. You know what? That's fine. He can post. He can tweet. But, there's market manipulation that could be considered. I'm saying could. He's bashing Bitcoin and then he's pumping Doge. I don't know. We'll see what happens. It's above my pay grade.
It's almost like he thinks we're a bunch of, like he doesn't care about. To me, it feels like he doesn't care about the investment community.
Right.
He doesn't care what he says, what he does. He just, like, everyone's going to follow him. He has come almost the ultimate power. He's a brilliant guy. I want to keep saying this. I'm not suggesting he's not the Thomas Edison of our times. But there are people. Thomas Edison was mean to people.
Yeah.
He was mean to people. Killed dogs on purpose to prove that the other guy's Tesla stiff doesn't work as well. Maybe he is the Thomas Edison of our time. What's the point of trying to kill Bitcoin?
I don't know. He went to do Saturday Night Live, and then he came back and went crazy. It's like they got to him there.
They made him woke or something?
Like
Papa Gorilla.
Yeah, Papa Gorilla.
Look at this in the house, baby.
I don't know. He went to do SNL, and then maybe he caved to the pressure of the left-wing wokeism. Who knows?
Okay, so we're in segment one still. Let's cover the market real quick because we're a little bit chaotic.
Yeah,
here.
yeah. Dow. Yeah,
Let's get this
fine.
back in line.
That's fine.
Then we're going to go into some stocks. In segment 3, we're going to cover Naked, that interview.
Yes.
I'm pretty excited about this. Josh got him the questions.
Yes.
Guy was responding back pretty quickly. We've set a time, which is exciting.
We have a conversation with the
That's all good.
Yeah.
It's all good. We're going to cover that in section 3.
All right.
Hey, we appreciate all the people from Naked Army signing in. I see a lot of people there. I appreciate Papa Gorilla. And what is the other guy?
Buddy B.
Buddy B. He's from Washington State.
As I watch
he actually said sorry. I don't know why he said sorry.
As I watch FCX go to 45, I am a little bit envious of that. Hey, let's talk about the market here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average finished down 54 points today to 34,327. The NASDAQ actually slipped 50 points as well, 13,379, and the S&P was down 10 to 4163. Bitcoin obviously took a beating after the large social media footprint of Elon Musk captivated the audience, possibly made them panic sell. Bitcoin 44,227 at the time we went on air.
Wow, really?
Ethereum.
I bought some at 42 this morning.
Ethereum 33.94.
Wow.
Now listen, it's still 13 to 1 or so. So that's been the ratio's been actually improving in Ethereum's favor for a while now. It was 30 to 1 for the longest time. And now Ethereum is closing the gap strongly here around 13 to 1.
Base flyer.
Oil. Oh, base.
Jesus,
oh wow,
this
what's
place
going
got
on?
another
is
one, too.
crazy today.
Milad with the $5 super chat. Thank
Base
you
flyer,
very
buddy.
much.
Thank you so
Base
much.
flyer with the super chat $4.99.
Wow,
Thank
you guys
very
are
much.
awesome, man. Thank you.
Hey, oil, light sweet
By the way, you know we
crude.
put this all back in the program. I'm not
Yeah.
joking around.
No.
We built this studio. We put everything back in the program.
Yeah,
This
it
is
all-
not a winner for us.
No.
It's not an economic winner. It's
No,
fun. We
it's
enjoy it.
yes.
We learn a lot. We love our audience. We're going to have a
Absolutely.
Risk On conference.
Absolutely.
We get to joke with Skylar, who will have a joke of the day every day now. Isn't that incredible?
Oil is up $1 a barrel, 66.34. The big mover today was silver and gold. Silver up $1 an ounce to 28.34. Gold up $19 to 28.50 to 18.66, and copper $4.71. Go ahead, Todd.
I love covering risk on moves, people that are taking moves and making risk on moves. This is a risk on move. Dodgers sign Albert Pujols.
Yeah.
Angels release him. Dodgers pick him up for the league minimum the rest of the year.
Yep.
Congratulations to the Dodgers, even though I don't like the Dodgers. I don't like the Dodgers.
Pujols is
I
about
like the Angels.
30 home
I don't
runs.
like the Dodgers.
He needs about 30
But
home runs.
congratulations on Pujols going there. He's a good guy, quality guy. Hey, Bob Baffert, he took risk on moments, apparently doping his horse, and he is suspended. That horse is suspended from entering the Belmont Stakes, so it will not be racing at the Belmont in 2 weeks.
Medina Spirit got beat at the Preakness.
Medina Spirit got beat, and Medina Spirit will not be racing in the Belmont.
And it looks like Riot is expected here. What's going on with our IoT?
Let's go right to Riot. If you like Bitcoin like I am long Riot, let's find out what mistake I may or may not have made.
SOS came back nicely today, by the way.
Did
We
it?
got long SOS. Quite a good position there.
Where is Riot?
Let's take a look here. It's in the green after hours. 2470 after hours.
Up. Yeah, look at that. Let's go to the screen real quick. There we go. 2470. It's up in the after hours. This thing was down to, look at this, dude. I bought this, I told you, at 23. Look at that.
Yep.
It went even lower than 23.
What else do we
It was
have?
like catching a falling knife. Dirty Harry, a pound, dollar. Naked Army, man. Those guys are strong.
$1.99 pound. Thank you
I think
very
Justin's
much.
pretty excited. I told him how many people from the Naked Army were here. He's pretty excited.
Jojo says Otani is fire. Yeah, that dude is unreal, man. Throws 99 from the right side, hits bombs from the left side.
Do you got any information on Riot?
Not yet.
Okay, let's cover the stocks real quick because we're going to be in section 3 soon, and we got segment 3, and we got to cover Naked Army.
Yeah.
Naked Brands, Justin.
I've got a bunch of tickers lined up here, starting with Fisker.
Listen, when we start section 3, it's important to me. I'm not going to give out any details. I didn't trade any naked today. I'm going to give you details on this, and then I really need you to pay attention to it and share it amongst yourselves, okay? Penny Watchful. Naked Army. Wow. Wow, you guys are amazing. I'm almost overwhelmed. Aren't you a little overwhelmed? Very nice of them. JB Ballin, Armada Trading just said, like the video, guys. All right, cool. Are we leaving a hole here? Oh, you're looking it up. Sorry about that.
No, I'm just trying to
My
looking for
apologies.
Riot.
Let's go to Fisker real quickly here. You already covered Fisker in terms of what they had. Let's go to the chart. It's down a little bit in the aftermarket, 26 cents.
Whatever.
Had a nice day today, up 72 cents. They've got about a $3 billion market cap, right?
Yeah, they got $1 billion in cash.
Got about $1 billion in cash, a $3 billion market cap.
And a $30K intro level SUV electric vehicle that they're doing with
Now,
Foxconn.
this is the guy that was sued by Tesla
Yeah.
for stealing the design for the the Model S.
Yes.
Yeah. But and did it actually go bankrupt at one time, Fisker?
I'm not sure if they went bankrupt.
I thought Fisker went bankrupt and then came out of it. And now they're an electric car vehicle. Look at this Ronald
Bollinger.
Damn, Ronald, what's up, buddy? Wow. This is crazy. We are long, Fisker. What do you think here? Why are we long this thing? I mean, come on. This thing's been down. What's the reason for us being long this? This is your idea.
The huge contract with Foxconn and its contrarian play to Tesla. It's kind of a hedge against Tesla.
Like a poor man's Tesla?
It really is. But the
I'm all
thing
good with
is,
that.
they're going to be the everyday person's intro level electric vehicle. So,
For full disclosure, this is ammo munition. I just bought the preferred today. It's a non-convertible preferred. I believe it's going to pay 8.75%. We are long the stock. I closed out a little bit.
Buddy B, what the heck is going on?
You listening?
Here? Yeah, I'm listening.
Because I'm telling you and the audience at the same time.
Yeah, I'm listening.
I cut back 5,000 shares of this ammunition
Okay.
at 634 right at the close.
We got 495,000 shares.
No, we got 512,000.
512,000 shares.
Yeah, we're long POW. We're
Okay.
long. We're long ammo. We believe in ammo.
We're about an average of about 580. Would you say is that fair?
I think lower.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe 580. Yeah,
Okay.
sure. We made profit on this because this thing went to 783. Wow, you guys are killing us.
Hey,
with
Dirty
these.
Harry, thanks again. Cosmo, thank you very much.
How do you pronounce that name?
De Luozo. De Luozo.
Listen, I should normally be in a great mood about this, so I want to cover. I feel like I always like to give you guys full disclosure. I don't feel like I always like to. I always do give you full disclosure.
Patrick
When I'm allowed to give you full disclosure, I do. So I want to cover what I made money on today. So what was up today?
Patrick,
look at that.
thank you,
Day
Patrick.
today. Look at that day.
You should show that to the camera. Turn that around. You want to be full disclosure? Turn that portfolio
do
around
that.
right now. Sorry, guys, I tried.
POWW up today. Friedman, which we filed the 13D on. FRD up. SSNT up. TRCH, that's your baby up. 57
Torch.
grand. Iconics.
Hey, we got Torch.
ICANX. But here's the thing I want to say. I came into the day short. Everyone knows who follows the show. I was short the triple Qs.
Armada Trading, dude, they won't stop.
Come on, man. I was short the triple Qs.
Dude, these guys,
are giving so
important.
much money, we can't even report.
Ben and Armada Trading, these guys are great. Armada, we got to have you back on the show.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay. So we're short the triple Qs, and I wanted to cover them at 324.
Right.
So I wrote the put. Now, guys, the put expired today. This is what's crazy is there's like puts that are good for like a day, and the puts expired today, and the put went down to 0. I covered it 24 cents. So I actually covered it around 323. So are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was a huge day, up 44 grand on the short. I was short DoorDash.
I got we can pull DoorDash up also.
Oh, really? Where's
I've got
DoorDash?
Dash. Right there. Boom. Smash it.
This thing,
Papa Gorilla, thank you. $5 super chat.
This thing was a ripper. Let's go to the 5-day. You can see it ripped, right?
And
I got walloped in my short. I'm thinking, hey, I shorted it at 124, and then it went all the way up to 140 and some change. I shorted a little more.
Yeah.
So I covered half my short in DoorDash today. URG, that uranium stock, we're long. SSY, we're long. I'm short Peloton.
Let's slow
I'm
down.
long Riot.
Hold on.
What?
URG is a uranium play. They doubled their footprint. The target's $2.
You want me to do it? Here. What do you want to do?
Do I have it?
Here's your whopping
Listen,
uranium play. Here, let's go.
URG.
Let's get everyone excited about 50 cents. Let's go.
All right, whatever. It's just
Let's go do it.
It's
Come
at the price point where
on.
people
You go do it. Tell everyone.
People might be excited about this play. It's a commodity. It's a uranium. It's something to consider other than
These
typical
guys
penny
only care
stocks.
about naked brands.
No, that's not true.
I'm telling you.
They do care about naked brands, but they like to see an energy play like this that's possible.
All right, let's forget the fact that I
For high
wrote
growth.
some puts and covered them and made money today.
No, we got to get back
Believe
to
it or not, today was a rip-roaring, crazy, absolute crazy day today.
We've got it all there. You can go through the tags.
Can I?
I've got them all listed.
What else? Clean
SLS,
Spark. We bought
Clean
more of this
Spark.
today. Let's
Take
pull
your
up the
pick,
chart on
man.
Clean Spark.
Sparky, 95% carbon neutral Bitcoin mining
Yeah, but look
operation.
at it since the beginning of the year.
Yeah, it's been destroyed.
It's down $12 a share since the beginning of the year. We're trying to bottom tick this thing.
When Sparky
we made money at
when
it.
Sparky was $40, Bitcoin was at $40K. Remember that.
Let's look at SOS real quickly here, year to date. We're long SOS. This thing's down. Actually,
All
Wow,
opportunities.
what's up with this thing? It's actually up.
They're all opportunities.
I know this thing went to $14.
So is Canon, CAN.
People probably think we're crazy. DoorDash, Pro Shares. What's this? Gold Minerals,
AUMN.
AUMN.
Yeah. It's a
These
good
are all
idea.
things we like or we're long or want to get
Papa
long.
Gorilla sent another super chat.
Stop doing it. First Domestic Silver.
AG,
What are we talking about AG for?
dude, I had that at $16 today.
What? I made money with DPW. It says, shh, we can't talk about DPW.
AG is
I'm
one
the
of my
chairman
pure
of that.
silver play,
Executive chairman. Torch. Here's your favorite stock. This has been painful for the last month. Let's talk about. Look at Torch. What's up with the?
We're
making Torch.
No, we've sold some and re-entered.
Oh no, there's no question.
We've
make money
swung
in
trade
Torch.
around this position.
A lot of swing trading.
Yeah, so
People probably think we're just traders here. We own Boeing. We're not trading Boeing.
We there's a.
Oh God.
Okay, full disclosure. Who is this? Is this the guy named D or the guy?
Nah, I'm not going to give his
Dude,
name out.
I don't
Yeah.
care. This thing is a dog.
Well, it's still in a nice uptrend.
Okay, great. We're down like.
Year to date, it's up 259.
Can I tell you how much we're
93%.
down on it?
We're down 59 grand.
How much?
59 grand a rally today.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel better.
Why are you talking about that? You've never lost any money on a trade. Somehow this is like you're fascinated with this thing.
No,
Are
you want to
go-
see? I lose money. KIQ. Put that up.
Yeah. How does it go from $1 to 69 cents?
KIQ. I'm buried.
Riot 24.66.
KIQ.
We're all
is a
messed
dog.
up here.
That's Burry's port.
Oh, okay. You want to cover this here? Why don't you pull it up? You want to pull it up on your screen?
I had it.
All right, let's pull it up here.
All right.
So we apparently, well, it's up on the screen now.
Okay.
Is that my screen or his screen?
Okay.
So let's go through this real quick. You cover it because this is a report from March 31st. Michael Burry. Let's go. He had
Wow, look at that. He's
Notional
long,
puts.
He's long the calls of Alphabet and Facebook FANG stocks. That's interesting.
Sure.
He's actually bullish on Kraft Heinz. You see there, fifth one down.
Sure.
Sixth one down. I'm
Right.
sorry. What else does he have here? What's NetApp? I'm not familiar with that. CVS Health, obviously, that's a good. In my opinion, that's a good play. I don't know what NetApp is. He's got the calls for NetApp, and I don't know the strikes.
Network compliance.
Maybe I don't know. Here's the thing: I don't know the strikes on these. I don't know the dates. But it looks
But he
like
covers the value of them.
yes,
So he bought puts on Tesla
a ton,
a ton. I mean, it just almost doesn't seem real.
dude. It's like $500 million.
Notional.
Yes, notional.
So he didn't pay $500 million.
Right. But he's also got what's TBT ultra short 20-year treasuries. Okay.
Yeah.
He's long those. He's got the calls there.
No, that means he's short.
Oh, that's right. Ultra
He's
short 20 plus.
the TBT 20-year treasury. He's ultimate short. So he's short. He owns the calls.
Yep. Okay.
Right.
Gotcha. I'm trying to
He's
think.
short. They're going to go up in value.
Yep.
Yeah. Right.
What else does he have here? Lumen Technologies.
Can we go back to that screen again? Look at this. He's also long the TBT ultra short
Yep.
also and the calls. He's long Occidental Petroleum.
Ooh, that was a dog. That one had so much debt.
It's been doing really well
that's
though.
Buffett's, right?
Yeah, the Buffett lent them money though.
Yeah. Okay.
Precision Drilling, long the oils.
Yep.
He's short the Treasury.
And
He's been right though, hasn't he?
yeah, for sure. What's he doing though with the housing market? Has he said anything about it?
No. I think
he'll-
the housing market's different for him now because you know how hard it is to buy a house? I mean,
Yeah.
dude, I'm trying to refinance my house. It's like a
Yeah.
act of God. I mean, they want you to prove it's like not. But remember before it was
Oh, the underwriting
lie and die
guidelines
or
are way
something?
different.
What was it before? Lie and die or something?
You sign and drive, basically. It's like
sign,
no
sign
doc.
and lie or lie and sign or something. You
Stated
just said
income?
like stated income.
Yeah, I make like
I make $2 million a year.
Yeah.
I
Here
get
you
6
go.
houses,
And you get a 0% negative amortization loan from Countrywide.
and we'll lend you 125% of the value of your home.
right, exactly.
Skylar, why are you so quiet over there?
What do you mean? You guys are all like excited. I'm not gonna interrupt.
You can interrupt any time.
Tell us
you
something.
got this. Hey, Skylar, let's wrap up the last 2 minutes of this segment before we go to Naked Brands.
Yeah.
Let's go to the joke of the day.
Oh, you want the joke? So,
Slow down when you say it so everyone can hear it.
okay.
Wait,
So-
hold on a sec. Buddy B,
Oh, you
another
gotta get the sound
$4.99.
ready.
Wow.
Jeez.
What?
You gotta get the sound ready.
Hold on, let me get it
Find
right.
it.
Okay, this is the dad joke, right?
Where's
The
the
dad joke,
did-em?
yeah.
Yeah. Dad joke of the day.
Riot's up 1.5% after hours. Let's go.
Found it. Now you gotta wait for the joke. So, if two vegans get into a fight, is it still called beef?
That one was so quick that it just I feel
know.
cheated.
Whatever.
Hey Max, thanks for the $4.99 super chat.
Hey,
Naked
you know,
Army
Buddy B just
representing-
did it again, by
Buddy
the way.
B's dropping bombs from Washington State.
I don't understand the super chat.
Buddy, what do you mean?
But you can't. Why can't they? Don't they stay at the top for a while?
we can pin them up there.
Yeah, but do we get to talk to them more?
Well, here's the thing: when we have our convention, these guys will all come here.
You think there are?
Yeah, and all this money that they donate is going to,
Hey, let's cover some housekeeping. This Wednesday, a special guest in the audience will be Marshall Wilkerson, flying in from Tucson. He is a $2 billion developer in New York City. He is a sales coach. He is a closer. And I admire this guy. He is a stud. I literally met him in Florida many years ago. We became friends. I think in the beginning stages of it, I think I was really tired and I wasn't really nice to Marshall. I think I was going to go sit down and he said hello and I was like a kind of a dick to him.
Oh, man.
But then later on, because we saw each other smoking cigars, and later on, I think we came together. I met him up in New York before COVID. Believe it or not, I had lunch with him like 2 days before COVID thing happened, right? It was like I had to fly back on February 14th. There was a Grant Cardone conference, a 10X conference here in Vegas. And then, this is where I believe I got COVID because I went to a convention. It was like terrible. I mean, remember how bad this was?
This is where you think you got it?
Yeah, at that convention.
Fake news.
I don't believe you.
What are you talking about?
I don't believe you got it there.
There was thousands of people from all over the world, including China, that were there, and I got the China flu.
Maybe it was just the regular flu. Could have
Maybe
been.
it could have been. You never know.
Did you lose your sense of smell and taste and stuff?
No,
Oh, it might have been flu.
could have been. Anyway, I don't look like I lost my sense of taste, do I?
No.
No, I don't think that happens. Anyways, Marshall will be in the house, special guest, and what else we got going on this week? I got 3 podcasts going on this week.
Well, we're about to get into the naked situation.
I don't know that the naked. Why do you call it a situation?
Well, it's not really a situation, but the scenario. It's coming. We're going to lay down the timeline.
Well, there's a difference in time,
Right.
in space here, right? It is. We're going to be. Let me read the thing here. We're going to be doing the interview.
That's what the people are waiting for. 580 people are watching live.
Oh, really?
I would say 500 of them are naked army.
Oh, really?
Just a guess. Give the people what they want. They want Milton Todd Ault to deliver, and he's going to deliver.
I'll be quiet. Let me confirm here.
Hey, take your time. Hurry up.
Yeah, I'm chatting with him.
Full disclosure. So, yeah, we've got all the questions. He's got all the questions. He'll have all the answers. He did? Yeah, nice. All right, cool. So it looks like, Yahtzee King says deliver Todd. Todd's going to deliver. The chat's going
Yeah,
crazy,
it's
but
going insane.
it really
Can't
looks
even
like
keep up with it.
tomorrow is the day that we do the interview with Justin. So I appreciate everybody hanging in there. Everybody's hodling in the chat. Chat is wild today for sure.
Hey, Josh, can you read? Can you read this? I got to give this to you. Just come on the screen. Here, take a look at that. What he's saying. You might want to respond back to him. See that?
Dude, there's some.
This is the first major interview for him.
Yeah, there's some nice. Oh, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
that I know of. It's the first major.
And we
interview.
got lucky to land it.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
pretty awesome, man.
How is that going to happen?
Yeah.
There's a couple of big bidders on Naked here on level 2. I'm looking at
After
80,000 at 5620.
play.
Somebody wants in. Why
Okay.
don't they buy the ask?
So then I do I just
Come on, you nits.
What time?
Slap
how
the
quickly
ask
can
on
that
Naked.
happen?
Stop being a nit.
Have it for the show.
We're going 4 decimal
I know,
points
but
on
how
Naked.
quickly
This
can
guy
we
wants
get
in
it
at
out? We'll see how he wants to
0.5620.
put it out sooner.
Dude, just buy the ask, man. Come on now. Whatever. Jay Caro asks a question. I don't think that's referring to me. Are you wearing naked underwear? That's probably.
Okay, so we're working with the CEO. It will happen. Let me walk you through this, okay?
Let's
So
hear it. Let's hear it.
I'm trying to be.
600 viewers.
I'm trying to be respectful of his time.
Yeah.
So obviously, he has timing issues about when he wants stuff released.
Correct.
So just read between the lines there. I'm not commenting on anything. I know nothing other than I've been told in the next 24 hours we're doing the interview. Okay. We submitted all the questions you guys have given us. Josh went painstakingly through what seems to be a big interest in this company. So we submitted all the questions. He responded, right? Hey, can we put Josh on camera or not? Is that not possible?
We got
Do we
one
have to
over
get?
there.
Oh, are you on camera now? Oh, I don't want to have to do that. Okay, that's okay. That's fine.
There he is.
Is he up?
Oh, we got him over here on the Zoom, I guess. Hey,
Oh, there we go.
here we go. Here we go.
That's weird. He's in the studio. We have to scan him. He's just it's strange. Hey, we're getting used to this new studio. So, Josh, you sent him the questions. What was his response like?
Said great, love the questions, looking forward to it, and then getting ready to
Okay.
schedule them.
So, because we're doing it, is it Wednesday in there and Tuesday here, or is it Monday night here? What the hell time is
They're
it?
ahead, right?
Right.
They're ahead of us.
They're ahead of us.
Yeah.
Right. So we'll be doing the interview on his Wednesday morning, but our market after the close. Right. So it's after the close, folks. It's after the close.
Correct.
Come on. Jesus. What else can I do for you? I mean, I can't. Is that punching?
It goes forever.
That's slapping.
You wanted to do this one.
Boom! Headshot!
It's after the close. Yeah, I know. So it's going to be a tricky thing, right?
It's time. Yeah, it's time to. Well, it's going to be tricky. Let's just leave it at that.
Right.
Yeah.
So I would say to most of you, be prepared to watch it tomorrow night.
Right.
Before the opening on Wednesday,
Well-
this is what you're going to have to deal with.
Yeah.
What are you all cringing for? It's got to do a little editing work. Just do the work, man. I mean, this is not a problem. I mean, these guys at the Naked Army have been like following us for weeks.
Yeah.
The least we could do is turn the damn thing around quickly,
We are.
right?
It's not going to be live. It's got to be. It's a little bit time delayed. So whatever. It's fine.
Well, it's going to be after the close. though,
Yeah, that's fine.
but before the open.
And then we have other underlying conditions that you can't talk about that they're obviously typing in the chat room.
What are they saying?
Well, this right here.
Oh yeah, well,
Yeah,
yeah,
so, yeah,
people
whatever.
are smart. Whatever's happening is
Yeah.
happening, right? Okay, good. So I'm excited about this, Josh. This is seems to be a big deal because apparently I don't know that he's been doing this a lot of places.
No, we're going to be.
I'm told we're the first
I mean, just
after the close.
Hey, he might.
After the close, we're the first.
He might be in the chat right now.
You never know. Justin's been very nice to us. We're excited about this.
Dude,
And, hey, we're all fans here, Justin.
more
so
than excited.
Nothing to fear here, buddy. We
No.
love you.
Yes.
We're excited, man.
Nothing
I
to
want a
fear.
Heidi Klum. Hey, Skyla's agreed to wear the bikini, and her boyfriend is going to wear the Speedo,
Yeah.
naked Speedo, and I'll wear a Speedo.
Oh my.
Hell yeah.
No way.
Kidding. Totally kidding, Justin. You don't. That will crush your brand.
No, that can't happen.
No, that's not gonna. That's gonna ruin it.
Somebody said, "What if he doesn't show up, dude? He's gonna show up."
You guys,
come on,
come
now.
on.
What the heck?
We're investors. Everything's
Come
gonna
on
be
now.
fine. Yeah, don't sweat it. Okay, everyone, just trust that this is gonna work out. We're good. We're good.
Yeah.
So 949-799-1831. And why do I ask you to sign up for this? I'm not trying to steal your email. You don't want to sign up, don't sign up, or your text.
Yeah.
But when it goes live, the interview, we're going to text everybody, okay? So our monitoring, all those people paying attention, we're going to text all of you, okay? So if you're already in the 949-799-1831 and type in naked or merch, everyone's getting a text when the interview goes live.
Yes.
It's going to be done right here. He's going to be in Australia. Questions are already prepped.
I can text their Telegram, right? That's fine.
Yeah, we're going to tell everybody.
The Naked Army Telegram.
And we're going to put it
out.
out. The link will be out there. We'll be ready to rock and roll. It's going to be great,
Yeah.
right?
And everybody, Papa, you guys will all know. As soon as I find out we're going to have this thing going, you guys will get first crack at it. I'll let you guys know right away.
Right, for sure. You okay with that, Josh? Yep. Good. I keep seeing you on screen, so I'm thinking you're on there the whole time.
Yeah, you guys have heard it so many times before. Yeah, we're not bluffing here.
What you guys did not hear that so many times before. I said I was going to get an interview with him, but it's still subject to him saying yes,
Right.
and it's based on his timeline, when he can do things, when he feels like he's allowed to disclose because he's done his disclosure. There's legal considerations. This is not like it's not like I'm interviewing a guy on the side of the road who is collecting bottle caps.
Exactly.
The guy's CEO of a public company. He's got to do it when he feels is comfortable, when his legal feels he's ready to do it. There must be a reason why he's doing it on Tuesday. Whatever that reason is, he has. That's the day he's confirmed.
Yeah.
There's nothing in it for us.
No.
I mean, I appreciate all the super chats. You guys are very kind. Don't get me wrong. I love that you're in the audience. And when you get here to the Risk On conference, I assure you, when you're in Vegas, you look me up, I'll treat you well. My staff will treat you well. Whether we're buying you lunch, whether we're buying you dinner, whether we're taking care of you, we love the people that follow us. But there is nothing in it for us with Justin. We're doing it because we got a big audience who wants to find out about it. We're as curious as you are.
Yep.
Of what he's going to do with hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars in the currency he has. We're curious, just like you are. We make the same kind of investments you do. A lot of you are smarter than me. I've been doing this for 32 years. Those Armada guys, they're pretty smart. Mm-hmm. The one guy's doing biotech. They're on top of it. They're paying attention. They're reading the details. They're smarter than us.
Yeah, they're incredible.
Yeah, don't you think so?
I love having those young guys on the show,
Yeah.
man. I would love to have it. So
this is a show about risk, and hey, this is a trade that has risk. Let's find out about it, right? So this is going to happen the next 24 hours, and trust me, if it doesn't happen, I'll be all over Justin saying, Justin, keep your word, buddy.
yeah,
Keep your word. The whole audience out there knows it. I'm long the stock. You guys are long the stock. Wow.
that's it.
Okay, so next 24 hours, I mean, how much more can we pin that down?
That's
So
it.
you got to set up the Zoom with him, make sure he's got the links.
No
the
pressure,
timing.
Josh.
No pressure,
Josh.
Josh. Hey, Josh came in from California to do this,
You
right?
guys know what he looks like
I mean,
now.
yeah, everyone knows that, right? We're in segment 4 now. Now, those of you who know and have been following the Bill Gates, what's wrong? Did I burp? What?
Oh yeah, Josh on the big screen.
Those of you who have been following the Bill Gates issue, the first day it happened, I basically came out and said, "Hey,
You called this perfectly.
there's no way that we don't like each other after 27 years. No one parts company after 27 years with that kind of money, unless usually there's someone else involved."
Yeah.
What do you know about this now? I mean, I got let's pull the image up real quickly here. So Bill Gates, they admitted today that when he resigned, so the New York Times is reporting that he resigned because of the investigation of his affair with a Microsoft employee. But that was 20 years ago. But he resigned in 2020 to no longer be the chairman of Microsoft. He also left the Berkshire Hathaway board.
Correct. I mean, so that's where
So
there's
you wondered-
smoke, there's fire.
You wondered why is he leaving the Berkshire Hathaway board? Well, he was going to focus on philanthropy, right?
Yeah.
But Melinda and Bill just did the Inside the Mind of Bill Gates thing on Netflix not too long ago. But it appears this whole thing's been going down for a while, as he's been hanging out with he hung out with Jeffrey Epstein a few times. Melinda was not happy. You want to push something, don't you?
Bill.
What are you thinking? What are you thinking?
What do you
I don't
think?
understand.
What do you think? Well, you're a rich guy like that. You got to have an affair.
No, you don't have to do that.
You don't think so?
No way. Why would you have to do that?
But why would he have to? Why would he have to?
I mean, personally speaking, that's an odd couple. That's just my opinion.
Who's an odd couple?
I mean, they're an odd-looking couple. I don't know.
Odd looking?
Have you seen the memes out there?
Yeah, but those are recent memes. Come on, see Melinda French when she was younger.
I don't know.
She was a young girl, smart. Where'd she come from? Dartmouth or something, or Duke?
There's things going on with Bill Gates and eugenics and TED Talks and Kenya, and just do some research. I don't like the guys. Personal opinion. So whatever.
All right, we're dying here. Let's
No,
go.
we're not really dying. We're moving on to current events.
Let's go on to current events.
So Governor Cuomo from New York, he's about to bag $5 million for his
Let's pull that up.
pandemic leadership. The hypocrisy there. What a joke that is. I mean, he decided not to use the ship that the former President Trump put off the New York harbor. Instead, he piled a bunch of people into retirement homes and
Can we leave this up on the screen real quick?
So many
You
people
guys, look
died
at
from
this
that.
guy talking about people must pay. He'll receive $5.1 million for his memoir detailing the leadership of his COVID during 2019. In addition, he'll be earning he earned $3.12 million last year, state officials announced Monday. His contract book also included $2 million paid over 2 years, dwarfing the governor's salary of $225,000.
What a joke.
This guy makes millions of dollars.
So pissed.
And then bashes Wall Street, bashes everybody.
The Navy ship Mercy on the coast of the New York Harbor. Here it is. You guys need ventilators? We got ventilators. He hides the ventilators. You guys need the ship to put COVID patients there to isolate them? Here's the Navy ship Mercy. Go ahead, use it. He doesn't even use it. He ships all the people that are have COVID into nursing homes, and then so many people died from it, and then he gets awards for it. Like, it's crazy. This is crazy.
So I watched Saturday Night Live on Friday, and I thought some of it, or Saturday, sorry about that. That's stupid. And some of it was funny. But about into the show in the beginning, I thought to myself, I don't like Saturday Night Live. It's not that funny anymore. It doesn't seem funny. And now, obviously, Saturday Night Live hits ratings low in first episode after Elon Musk, high-profile hosting gig. I don't know. Have you watched it at all?
I haven't watched it since my old when I went to college with Jimmy Fallon when he was on it. I haven't watched it since then.
Really?
Yeah, Jimmy was on it. It was good. Jimmy went off to do bigger things, get his own TV show. Shout out to Jimmy Fallon. And yeah, I haven't watched it since.
So let's go to the next slide here. Elon Musk clarifies that Tesla has not sold any Bitcoin. In an early morning tweet, Tesla CEO said it has not sold any Bitcoin. In a Twitter exchange Sunday afternoon, Musk had implied the electric vehicle maker sold or may sell the rest of Bitcoin holdings, sending the price of the cryptocurrency down. Musk has been a big supporter of cryptocurrencies, helping rally digital crypto coins and Bitcoins the last several years. I think this guy's a tormentor now.
I don't know.
I
what
think
he's thinking.
I think he thinks we're a joke.
What is he doing?
Look what he's done to crypto, right? I mean, do you assess all this sell-off, this 60,000 to 42,000 to Musk?
Yes, I do.
Wow.
I do, for sure. And opportunities to short, for sure. On BitMEX, 10 times leverage. I mean, if you want to go bigger than that, it's a little scary. But 10
Right.
times leverage shorters piling in, absolutely. Panic selling. The perfect formula on the back of his social media footprint where he broadcasts to millions and millions of people. Absolutely.
You want to cover this Iron Dome thing?
Well, I thought that was interesting.
Hey, I don't know anyone. Do you know anyone that makes? Let's go to the screen here.
Check this out.
Do you know anyone that works on projects for Israel?
I do happen to know.
You know any companies like that?
I do,
I know
actually.
a few.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is. I'll go back to the headline. Leave it up there for a minute. What the heck? Okay, where's it? Look at that number. Okay, U.S. approved $735 million in weapon sales to Israel, per a new report.
That's pretty interesting, I thought, considering right now that...
By the way, I don't know anyone that got $735 million contract, but that's exciting news.
Correct.
I mean, there's a negative and a positive, right? So Joe Biden takes over.
Yep.
112 days into 113 days into his administration.
Rockets flying.
Suddenly there's rockets flying in Israel.
Yep.
Anything strange there?
I mean, it's
Anything
pretty...
strange there that suddenly there's oil problem here, gasoline problem, the pipeline, people putting... You see anything weird here?
It's really, really... yeah, it's...
Scary. Devon Wright.
Yeah. Devon wants to cover
If you
AT&T.
cover more tickers, letter T. You mean AT&T?
Yeah, AT&T, right?
Oh, I like that.
That's what I'm thinking he wants to cover.
Hey, for full disclosure, Devon, we're long Discover Communications. Mm-hmm. They're the company that's allegedly going to buy the naked people are smart. Look at what they're saying here. Look at this.
Oh,
Look what they're saying about naked brands.
I was reading something else, but I see that as well.
Armada Trading. I want to cop some risk on merch. What
Hey,
phone
sure.
code? No. You just put in merch in the text, and you get merch.
This guy right here,
Has
Todd,
anyone got any merch? Some people have they responded
Yeah,
yet?
got merch.
Someone tagged us on Instagram.
Check this
Oh,
guy out.
they did.
Yeah,
They tagged me.
and me. Yeah, I liked it.
Hey, you guys don't just get to tag Skyla because she's
No,
cute.
they
No,
didn't
I get
just
it though.
tag me.
I know this is coming down here. You just be courteous enough to tag me and Skyla. If you're only going to tag the pretty girl, tag me and Skyla. Don't be jerks.
They did.
Shervin actually tweeted on his Twitter. I caught that. He's a doctor of chiropractic, if I recall correctly. He tweeted that Fox News should do an interview about you regarding the the Iron Dome and stuff like that.
It'd be an interesting interview.
Yeah.
We're not. We're Intertech works over there.
Yeah.
It's good. No, I'm not implying anything.
No.
I'm just saying it's exciting that the U.S. is helping Israel. I'm not
That's all.
implying. I'm not implying that DPW has got anything new.
No.
I'm not reporting anything. Don't do that, please.
No.
I'm just simply saying, we happen to have a defense company in Israel. That's all.
Dave
Most
K
people-
needs merch. Dave K, did you follow the procedure?
Dave K, 949-799-1831. 949-799-1831. Type in merch. It gets sent to you. Apparently, Skyla and I are getting tagged
Dude, the
with
third
the merch
just sent
on.
me a pic.
Look at that. Look at that. That's cool. All right. The third. Look, he covers his face up.
Nice.
He's a good-looking guy. I don't know why he covers his face up.
He's been on the show. Nice.
Dave K says, I still never got any merch. Still waiting. Well, that's not good.
Dave K, we're going to get you merch.
We're going to have to fix that, buddy.
Yeah, for sure.
Dirty Harry. I love Dirty Harry Risk-On t-shirt. I'd love a Dirty Harry Risk-On t-shirt. That'd be fun.
Armada says,
I wonder if you could use that logo now that it's been around a while.
hey,
It probably
Armada
could.
has a European clothing supplier in Europe. That's pretty interesting.
It would be.
He owns it.
Yeah.
It's his own. Yeah.
Hey, I want to ask everyone in the chat in the last segment, okay? We're trying to, I really literally want your honest opinion. We're trying to assess whether August is a good timeline to have a risk-on conference. It would be a weekend, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We'd have guest speakers like Brad Lee. We'd have other guest speakers. I know exactly the format I want to do it. Is August okay with everyone? And then, Josh, when I have this risk-on conference, how am I doing this? Am I charging people for admission? Am I giving them low-cost admission because it costs some money to do it? I could cover the cost of it. I'm not really worried about that. But people got to fly from all over the world to be here.
They would have to cover that.
Yeah, and I'm trying to figure out what that's going to look like in terms of
Look at that view right there.
how many people we want to try to have on the show initially. I mean, like the initial, the number of people there.
100 people? 50 people?
2 nights, 3 days. But is it 50 people? Is it 200 people? Roland's saying August. Roland, I got you, buddy. You're going to live here then.
What do you? 50 people with a possibility to expand to 100 based on. I like that.
But you'll get a room that could expand to 200.
Yeah.
Fly Mutta Trucka.
Yeah. Be careful.
Oh wow, that's careful.
Richard Ritter in the
hey,
house.
Richard Ritter, I think, buddy, I followed you on Twitter this weekend. And the doctor, I think I followed you on Twitter too. If you go to my Twitter, TODDAULT, and then 3 I's because I'm Milton Toddault the third, I'll follow you back on Twitter. Just put in the thing Risk On, and I'll know you follow the show, and then I'll follow you because I get tons of haters there that call me every name in the book and want to kill me. So
Yeah, that's ridiculous. But
hey,
you know what's
I
cool?
appreciate all those people in Twitter who said they wanted to kill me a couple years ago. They led to me getting a security system that the company had to pay for. Thank you so much. Wow.
Ace M77
Who is
with
this
the
person?
$50 super
Who is
chat.
this person? Who is this? Ace, $50?
Ace M. Hey, Ace, what do you want to know, man? Ask some questions.
Dude, Ace, well, you got our attention, buddy.
Ace,
No
ask us
holo
anything,
on
man.
Ault. Go short or on this channel.
Going short on this channel. Good luck. Michael says he's not a believer in Ault.
Oh, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Never sold.
No.
Although we just did pre-announce our first profit in like 11 years. And the first time since I took over, we did announce our first profit.
I'd say we're trending up.
Yeah, I mean, we announced our first profit.
Absolutely.
And I know for a fact that in the next week, Ault Global, DPW Holdings, will be reporting its actual first quarter. So we'll see. We'll see who wins there, Michael. Anyways, whatever.
This is fun.
I love this show. And I love all the followers here. What can we do for people?
Buddy B.
By the way, this show is for entertainment purposes. And to be serious about what Michael says is we're not recommending DPW. We're not recommending naked. We're just telling you what we're doing. I'm long naked. A little bit. I got some
We're
naked.
talking generalities, and then we disclose
Yeah,
what
I'm
we
long
what we do.
DPW, but
Yeah.
that's because I work there and I'm a big investor. I'm long.
Wait. You work there. That's hilarious. He works here, guys and gals. Hey, Todd Ault works at Ault Global. Just newsflash. This will probably be a risky bit now. Todd Ault, he works at Ault Global. That's factual state. Hey, what's on your shirt there? Is that one of the new shirts?
No, it's not.
Oh,
It's
okay,
not.
okay.
It's not. The one that says Todd on it.
Holy cow.
I love these guys. This is one of the funnest things that I do. I'm in Utah. Mark. Oh, well, I'm in Utah. What's he saying? I'm in Utah.
Oh, he'll drive to Vegas.
He'll drive to Vegas.
Yeah, Mark, bring it, man.
I'm serious. We're going to have a sign-up sheet in the next couple weeks.
Yeah.
We're thinking about doing the Virgin Hotel. And I honestly think, what the heck, Papa?
Papa, cut it
Come
out.
on, man. Let us buy some food. I honestly think, I don't know how to do this, but the concern is when you let the ticket be for free, no one kind of takes it seriously. They have no investment.
Right.
So I want to make it, though, so that they could come to the show, party with us, get some value,
Right.
and they go home with more. So we're going to figure that out, right? We're going to figure that out. Well, I'm going to tell you what they're going to learn. They're going to have Brad Lee there. We're going to have Marshall Wilkerson there. We're going to have some special guests that are good names presenting to us that will teach people. They're going to learn. If you have a small business, or you have a big business and you've never had to raise any capital, I have raised hundreds of millions of dollars over 32 years. I have brought companies public through syndication for REITs. I was part of the syndicate desk at Dean Witter. I raised hundreds of millions of dollars for funds, for my hedge funds, for public companies. And you're definitely going to learn how to raise money. I'm going to have a small little presentation there.
Yeah.
About an hour and a half presentation on how to raise money for your business if you need to raise capital. Marcus, what's Marcus? What's the Marcus headline? Marcus.
I don't know. We can look at portfolio management. We can.
Hey,
look
maybe
at
they're talking about Marcus, who works for us. Marcus, who's head of sales for EV. Hey, that's another thing I'm excited about, man.
Yeah, for
that
sure.
board meeting last week, I'm excited about all that stuff.
EV for sure.
Hey, we got 4 minutes left. See if we can cover a couple things in the. Wait, Lead Up Media. I know that guy. Hold on. What's he say? 100 people at $50 covers some costs. Practical enough for everyone to attend. First come basis.
Yeah, we're gonna have Papa Gorilla serving food.
The Durham says add rum. I don't know what that means. Armado, I made enough money.
Drunk Tehran says,
For
"Hey,
pocket,
EV sounds neat."
Mars bar down head there.
Look! What a troll!
GSAT. Who?
Look at drunk Tehran. Hey, EV, that sounds neat.
He's such a troll. What's GSAT? What is it? GSAT? Do you know what that is?
No, I don't.
I'm gonna put it up real quick. GSAT. Do we know that name? Oh, Globalstar. Wow. Are they still around? Is Globalstar still around?
Wow,
Holy
727 million outstanding shares or float.
Wow, we have to look at that. Wow. It's up 23 cents today, or 20%.
Mobile satellite services.
Yeah,
Yep.
this thing has been around forever. I don't
Yeah.
even know what to do. I remember Globalstar being around when I was a broker like 20 years ago.
It's crazy.
This is the same Globalstar? Let's pull up on the screen. Look at this thing ripping today.
I think August is a good month though. September.
Wow, this thing's ripped from the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at that. Something's up with Globalstar.
Dirty Harry, you going to be the bartender? Please get Marcus Lemonis. We can try to get Marcus.
Oh, Marcus Lemonis. We are trying to do that.
Yeah.
We're trying to get him on my podcast, too.
Yeah.
That's exciting.
Yeah, Jitendra.
Devon Wright, thank you so much.
Jitendra for sure.
Caesar will be there. I think Caesar's coming to work with us.
September's the World Series of Poker, so we got to do it in August.
HAHT. This Robbie guy, maybe we should hire him as an
Dude,
analyst.
AHT is going to be that healthcare
Robbie
thing.
seems to know everything.
AHT is going to be, Ashford Hospital. Yep.
I mean,
IHT,
he finds names I never heard of.
SSY.
Robbie comes up with stuff I've never heard of.
These are all those healthcare plays. Is this a low floater
It's
too?
ripping.
No,
Is it a
this
low floater?
No, not at all. IHT is the low float ripper.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wonder why these things are in play.
3 million float, IHT. SSY, we know a little something about that.
Okay, this is going to be a busy week, guys. Busy week. Tomorrow, after the close.
What's up, Base Flyer?
The big interview, apparently, hey, you know what's going to happen, right? As soon as we interview this guy, these guys are all going to go somewhere else, man. That's sad. We'll still love you, though. That's
it's okay. If the
It's
Naked
all right.
Army leaves us, that's fine.
That's all right. We
It's
understand.
Okay.
Hopefully the CEO of Naked Brands tomorrow after the close. Then we got to get that interview done, spun it out, let everyone know that's happening.
We got Marshall Wilkinson.
Marshall Wilkinson's Wednesday.
Yep.
Do you know the other people that are on Autonomous during the week?
You guys need to follow Marshall Wilkinson on Instagram.
Yeah.
He goes live a lot. He just gives you
know,
so many nutrients.
He moved his show to YouTube.
Oh, he did?
He's on YouTube now also.
Oh, awesome.
I put that out in the chat.
You talk about a deal maker.
Phil Cotcherero, that interview is going to be up soon. We'll look for that to be
Stormy?
happening. Stormy.
Yep.
Stormy Simon, she's the former president of Overstock.
Yep, Overstock.com.
One of your favorite guys.
Yep,
Patrick.
Patrick Byrne.
Hey, it's been an interesting week. I wanted to rant a little bit about Elon. I think that he bailed out a little bit on me when he finally admitted that he hadn't sold any Bitcoin, but you never know with this guy, right?
You never know, but hey, real quick, VYNT, my personal choice here. Keep an eye on VYNT. It's been brought up in the chat a lot. It will squeeze, in my opinion. It's my personal opinion.
Yeah, full disclosure, we're long
Just
that
my
stock.
opinion.
We're long, though. For full disclosure, we're long that stock. Hey, everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. It is the 17th of May. It is the 74th episode. Tomorrow, episode number 75. Right afterwards, we're interviewing the CEO of Naked Brands. This is interesting times, Josh. Jason.
AMC's ripping. Meme
Hey,
stocks
guys.
for life.
We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks, Skyla.